Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title is To App in Flutter. Now, if you see the abstract, a to-do list is a list of tasks that need to be completed, typically organized in an order of priority. It is one of the simplest solutions for task management and provides a minimal and elegant way for managing tasks a person wishes to accomplish. Our aim is to design the simple and elegant website for people to keep a track of the status of their task. Making a to-do list is an easy and important task that everyone should do. The immense satisfaction that one gets when completing the task and making it on the list are incomparable. Moreover, creating a list of tasks ensures you don't miss out on anything. It is a scientific fact that when you are writing the task that you need to complete, you are even more motivated to complete it. With this in mind, we come to build a platform which will help people create their own task list. With the help of the modern tools and technology, we strive to build a minimal and efficient to-do list which minimize the distraction and help the people achieve the task management with the ESA and the without hassle. Making a to-do list is an easy and important task that everyone should do. The immense satisfaction that one get when completing the task, marking it on the list of incomparable makeover the creating list of tasks that ensure you do not miss out on anything. It is a scientific fact that when you are write a task that you need to complete, you are even more motivated to complete it. With this in mind, we come to build a platform which will help people create their own task list. With the help of modern tool and technologies, we strive to build a minimal and efficient to-do list which minimize distraction and help people achieving the task management with the ease and without hassle. This is the flow diagram of our project. Then first of all start the project and then list of the to view the all the app to showing the list of to-do list stored in the array list. And then if you add into the to-do list means just type in the text field and click plus icon. We see in this app as detailed in app page. Next video in the app video I see it in the detail in this how to add the to-do list. Then if you are completed means just tick it. If you completed the if you creating to-do list means just tick means it's getting strike on the to-do list. If you don't want to that do means just delete options press the side in the icon. If you delete, if you search means also searching option also available in our project. Okay, you can search also using searching also is a process. Now we see the app. This is the Flutter app. I run in the Chrome like web app. It's running in the Android also. Then first with showing the to-do list first. Then just add the example. I add the one to-do list. Mm, dinner. Add just add dinner. Say right. Writing homework. Writing homework. If you completed means just tick is strike. Or if you not need, if you don't need this is means just click delete. Just delete. If you searching means check it. If I want search check email means check email ch automatically it's so like that. This is a full sample profile icon, but it's not changing. Uh, that's if you want to add now, like let's say everything.